Have you ever pondered over the perplexing task of selecting the perfect lighting for your indoor garden? Well, fear not, because today we're delving into the world of indoor garden lighting solutions. Let's kick things off by shedding some light, no pun intended, on the importance of lighting in indoor gardening. Just like humans need food to grow and thrive, plants need light. It's their primary source of energy necessary for photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to convert light into chemical energy to fuel their growth. Now you might be thinking, can't I just use any light bulb? Not quite. Plants need the right kind of light, one that mimics the sun's full spectrum of light, from blue to red and everything in between. So what are some indoor garden lighting solutions you can consider? First up, we have fluorescent lights. These are great for indoor gardening because they provide a good balance of light spectrum, making them suitable for most types of plants. They're also energy efficient and have a long lifespan, which means you won't have to replace them as often. Next, let's explore LED grow lights. These are the new kids on the block, yet they're rapidly becoming popular among indoor gardeners. They're highly energy efficient, long-lasting, and they don't emit much heat, which makes them ideal for small indoor spaces. Plus, they offer a full spectrum of light, so they're perfect for all stages of plant growth. Then there are HID lights, or high-intensity discharge lights. These are some heavy-duty lights known for their high light output. They're excellent for larger indoor gardens, but they do emit a lot of heat, so you need to make sure your space is well ventilated. Lastly, we have incandescent lights. While these are the least expensive option, they're not the most efficient. They don't provide a full spectrum of light and generate a lot of heat, which can be harmful to plants if placed too close. So, how do you choose the right lighting for your indoor garden? Firstly, consider the type of plants you're growing. Different plants have different light requirements. For example, foliage plants usually do well under fluorescent lights, while flowering plants might need the full spectrum provided by LED grow lights. Secondly, think about the size of your indoor garden. If you're working with a small space, LED grow lights might be your best bet. But if you're dealing with a larger garden, you might need the high light output of HID lights. Thirdly, consider your budget. While LED grow lights and HID lights might offer the best results, they can be quite expensive. On the other hand, fluorescent lights are a more affordable option that still provides good results. In conclusion, choosing the right lighting for your indoor garden is all about understanding your plant's needs, assessing your space, and considering your budget. Whether it's fluorescent lights, LED grow lights, HID lights, or even incandescent lights, each has its own benefits and can be the perfect solution for your indoor garden. So the next time you find yourself in the lighting aisle, remember, the right light can make or break your indoor garden. Choose wisely.